What's going on? It's Luke, man. I'm going to ask you, do you have a funnel problem or you have a traffic problem? All right, so we had a client that came to us who is a realtor here in Houston, Texas, and he had been running a lot of Facebook traffic to his one website, which according to him was not working. So he wanted us to help him run traffic and see if we can get him some leads. The first thing we usually do when someone comes to us is to ensure that we take a look at how their funnel is set up, because you can have the best Facebook ad in the world. If your funnel is not set up right, you're not gonna make any money and you're gonna be frustrated thinking Facebook does not work. Yes, Facebook works. They made $55 billion last year. They don't sell clothes, they sell traffic, so it works. So what we did, I'm going to show you guys what we did with this guy's funnel. I'm not going to be showing you his particular funnel, just for privacy's sake, but I'm going to show you the step we took to turn his funnel around. So in this video, I'm only going to be showing you how we turn this funnel around and how we turn it from just a one-page website to a very powerful funnel. So stick with me. Let's see. Hopefully this helps someone out there. All right, so you guys are in my Clickfunnels. As you guys know, I've told you in other videos that I use Clickfunnels for all my personal projects and of course for each and every one of my clients, especially when I discover that you only have a website but you don't have a well set up funnel. So instead of us waiting for months and months to develop another website for you, which of course we can do, we don't do that. We just basically just go into Clickfunnels and start something very quickly. And this is how we were able to turn that guy's one-page website into a money-making funnel, which will generate funds for him for the rest of his practice. Okay, so for the rest of his practice live. So here's what happened. As you guys, I want you guys to notice one thing. Again, before it used to be just one bulky websites where people just come and look around for information. Of course, they bounce, some of them stay, and apparently whatever he was doing was not working because they ran Facebook traffic to it and it did not work. And I've been asked to explain what Facebook traffic means. Facebook traffic simply means we are running an ad from Facebook, sending it to that person. So the going of people, of persons to a particular page online is what we call traffic. So we do Facebook traffic, YouTube traffic, whatever kind of traffic. So essentially this guy was running Facebook traffic to his website, but it was not working. So we came up with this idea. We're like, so how about we have an opt-in page? All right, I mean, we have a page where people go and where they get there. We did two versions of this, but I'm only going to share one of them with you, which should suffice for what I'm trying to show you. So we said, okay, so how about we have a page that when people get to that page, they are able to take a survey, and that survey leads, based on the option they choose on the survey, that will lead them to the corresponding page for whatever problem they've come up with. So let me show you guys this right quick. So if they go into these, when they land on this particular page that we made, so this is saying, welcome to the home of my awesome real estate funnel. Please tell us which real estate need can we help you with by choosing an option below. Of course, you've got to understand not every customer has the same real estate problem. So the first thing we told him, not everyone has the same real estate problem. So let's just break it down based on whatever problem people have come up. I mean, people have come to you with before. So he told us, well, some people want to buy a home, some want to sell their home, some just want a mortgage lender, and of course, some want to speak to a realtor. So we broke all those down to four separate values, right? Four separate options on the landing page. So when someone comes here, the first thing they do, of course, is they see this guy right here pointing to the fact that you've got to take this survey, right? This is like a visual, it's a visual and of course psychological call to action. It's looking at this funnel, looking at this instruction right here, and it's pointing that you should take these survey to know where we're gonna send you. And I'm gonna preview this and I will show you guys what we did with this. And I want you to pay attention to the fact that there are four options here. One option says I want to buy a home, the other one says I want to sell a home, and of course the third one says I want a mortgage lender, and the other one says I want to speak to a realtor. So it does not matter if you're a realtor or not, whatever niche you are in, it is important that you're able to design your funnel in such a way that you are not just helping customers make the right decision, but makes it extremely easy for them to navigate whatever you have going on your website. In this case, whatever comes on here, they know that it's not just someone that wants to buy a home or someone that wants to sell a home. They have other problems going on. So, and every customers want to feel like you are talking to them. There is no difference between online and offline marketing. What matters is just communication and thinking the way your customers will think, right? So they come over here, so this guy looks like, okay, well, my problem is I want to buy a home. No, mine is I want to sell a home. The other guy says, well, I want a mortgage lender. And this one says, well, I want to speak to a realtor. Here's what we did. And I'm going to preview this funnel for you guys to see. For each and every one of these responses, when they choose it, of course, they go to a customized page that speaks to their problem. So let's preview this to see what I'm talking about. We're going to preview this right quick. So when someone lands on here, again, I've explained the importance of these. All right, this can be on this side as well. It can be on this side. The other version of this that we used, we actually used a lead magnet. All right, but in this case, let's just stick with this one. So this person says, I want to buy a home. See what happens when they click I want to buy a home. So we're analyzing your results. You can change that to say whatever. You can change that to say something else. So it says, remember that person chooses that he wants to buy a home. Now we say, we understand that you want to buy a home. So it feels like you're actually speaking to him. So when this person puts in the information, I'm going to block. So when this person puts in the information, there is already, let me show you guys this over here. On this funnel, there is an integration. There would have been a list created in our system that's integrated to this particular funnel, that when someone chooses, I want to buy a home, they are going to be subscribed to the buckets, to the email bucket that says home buyers. So you're not going to send them email that is meant for everyone. Rather, you're only going to send them emails that is for home buyers. Do you understand what I'm saying? So when they choose, another thing we do is when they say, okay, send me help right now, we send them to a landing page where this person will talk about what someone needs to do when they want to buy a home. And of course, in the bottom, there will be a call to action. And of course, there may be other, steps they need to take when they want to buy a home and how they can contact you. And whether they choose to contact you here or not, you already have them subscribed to the email list that says home buyers. And you can now start sending them emails about buying home. Now, let's see the other one. So if this person chooses, I want to sell a home, here's what's going to happen. Let's preview this again. This person says, I want to sell a home, right? I want to sell my home. When they choose, I want to sell my home, it goes and says, watch what happens, guys. We understand you want to sell a home, right? So it's like that person is literally talking to someone live, but yet they're not talking to anyone live, but you make it seem like they're talking to someone live. This time around, they feel like you're really listening to them and you are capable of solving the problem. So when they say send me help now, we send them to a thank you page with a video of you explaining what someone has to do when they want to sell their home. And of course, you can have what others are saying about you. You have a button here that says click here to talk to us, or just simply say someone from our office will call you right away. And whether they do that or not, someone is going to call them, because now they're only going to be subscribed to the bucket that says home sellers. And whenever you send them a message, it's only going to be about someone who sells home, right? So if they say they want a mortgage, let's preview that again. And this person says, I want a mortgage. So if they say I want a mortgage, when you click on I want a mortgage, what happens is it says, we understand you want a mortgage, right? They put in the email, they put in the information, they subscribe to that buckets, to that email list of people that want a mortgage. And of course, you send them help, and here you can have a video of you talking about what someone needs to do when they want a mortgage, 5-10 things they need to understand before that. So it positions you such that you are the subject expert, and of course you relate with the problem. You're not just sending the same thing to everyone, all right? Because it doesn't make sense that way. So let's do the last one right quick. So if this person says I want to speak to a realtor, clicks that, and of course it goes and says, we understand you want to speak to a realtor, please enter your information below for prompt help. They do that, we send them help. You come over here and present yourself as a realtor and let them know. Someone from your office will call them right quick, and of course leave a call to action below the video, and you can also leave your number right here. And as you guys know, all of this is customizable inside of Clickfunnels. And another thing that we'll do when we start running that traffic is we're going to have a pixel on each and every one of these pages, such that when in the future this guy wants to run a Facebook ad or YouTube ad or Google ad, we can simply just pick that pixel and say, send only to people that want to buy a home. Send only people to the audience that want to sell a home. The Facebook pixel can do that for us. In another video, I'm going to be breaking down how you can actually set up custom audience inside of Facebook. And as you guys know, again, funnel is just part of marketing, but what we do basically for our clients is we help them get high paying customers. But in doing that though, you've got to have a funnel that is designed to convert, because you can run $1 million traffic and it's not going to convert if things are not set up right. So if you guys have any questions regarding how to do this, please just reach out to me and I will be more than happy to help you. My name is Lukeman, and it's lukeman@vireladmedia.com. And for those of you that already have ClickFunnels, you can click below this video and you're going to find a link where you can easily just download this particular funnel and you can customize it to whatever you want. You know, all of this is customizable. You can change the picture, you can add more questions, you know, more options and all. And of course, if you do not have ClickFunnels but you choose to want to try ClickFunnels for the next 14 days for free, you can also click on the link below this video to get ClickFunnels for 14 days for free. And as soon as you do that, just send me an email at lukeman@vireladmedia.com to get this particular funnel. And of course, if you want other funnels, like I told you guys, I have a whole bunch of them because we do this each and every day. So I have a lot of funnels that can actually work for whatever you're trying to make it work for, and I will be more than happy to help you. All right, hope you found values in these, and I will be coming back your way again. You have a lovely one.